Yan here at potentials.com, signing at our channel. So yan, pipilitin natin to write with our potentials blog. So marami na tayong utang sa ating mga readers that we share our experiences. So just wait, ipopost natin sa blog ang ating mga writings. So yesterday is a Sunday but we went to MaxiCare Clinic in Centris. So after Centris, after our laboratory, we went to SM North EDSA. SM North has a book sale. Ayan. So, nanggaling na naman po tayo sa book sale. Pasensya na po. We cannot avoid the call of the books. Yan po. So, we bought this by Gary Smalley for Better or for Best. And, ayan. Dito meron na tayong book nito. This is a guided journal. Present over Perfect ni Shauna Sequest. Ayan po. Medyo expensive siya. Pero yan, binili natin kasi it's a journal. Ayan. Gagamitin po natin sa ating to flex our writing muscles. Ayan. Gustong-gusto po natin i-flex ang writing muscles natin. Kaya we need guided journals to flex our writing muscles. So, ito ang ating haul from book sale in SM North. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.